How to draw a rectangular. Use the Draw Rectangular tool when you need to quickly create a rectangular area on your site plan. You could also create the same using Polygon, but rectangle makes it much faster when you know the area should have 4 rectangular sides. When you click on the polygon or closed section area, hold the key and you see the rectangular. Draw a rectangle. Click on it. Find an area that you want to draw. Start from the first corner and click on the section. Once you have it, you can then adjust things as you wish and name it as you wish on top here, selections and otherwise. The difference between rectangle and polygon is that it has the corners. You can also twist and turn it, different sections to align it with what you want to align it. It could be a useful tool to draw things like decks or footprints and such.